Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i available on your iPhone? So I already installed the application what SOUNDCORE offer for the earbuds, and if we open it and try to add device, we can see supported devices. So tap at the earbuds icon and then go to setup manually. So our model is A25i and it's A series, not Liberty Space or something else, and we just go to the other because we haven't A series here. And right here we need to locate our earbuds if it's available for us. And right here we have our model, so my short answer is yes, it's available on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!